decided the wrong side of the road.
And then it crosses us back over again.
That's so weird.
Oh, that was weird.
So, we left Germany, I think it was about 9:30 this morning. It's now 10 to 9 at night, so that's almost 12 hours, 11 and a half hours. And we're now in Copenhagen. And we're just both absolutely exhausted from all the driving, really. It's now Monday morning. And what a lovely night's sleep we had last night. Very peaceful here. Really nice people. We've had a chat with a couple of people doing things and walking the dogs and stuff. As you've probably guessed, Cooper isn't with us. Cooper decided that he wanted to have a break of his own from us and wanted to stay in the kennels for a week. So yeah, Cooper's not with us. Basically we didn't get the pet passport done in time because just issues with vets and stuff like that. We might be changing vets, so we'll have to see. Yeah, we are now heading over to trying to find a place to park up to go and do a bit of touristy stuff in Copenhagen. So, Van? What about that for a view? Some more campervans over there somewhere. We were thinking of going over there last night, but we decided to stay here. But you got these lovely little boats in the harbour. Absolutely fantastic. And the temperature's perfect as well. So there you go. Germany, too hot. Denmark, perfect so far. So time to go pack up and find somewhere today to park the van while we go and be tourists. This is what we have to put up with Mandy and her obsession with buying tat. Right now she's on the hunt for fridge magnets for the fridge we won't have soon.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think they're all the same, yeah.
It's either that or...
Should we explain what these badges are for so people can understand? Mandy collects badges for a backpack. So these are badges for a backpack. Yeah, that's probably too intricate for your backpack.
You reckon?
Yeah, what about the I love
Copenhagen?
Yeah, I just go for that. I think that's more like this style, the rest of them. So I was looking at the car in front, it's from Russia, and I was thinking, well, we're in Copenhagen. Is it easier to get from Russia to Copenhagen or England? And if you look at that, it's probably about equidistant. Isn't that weird though, to think that we're potentially closer to Russia right now than we are home? Copenhagen was quite nice, but I have to say this is better, as far as I'm concerned anyway. City centres and touristy stuff's one thing, but sunny beaches with beautiful weather, my best mate with me. So some of you might have the trimmer system, and whether you know or not, but if you turn your heating off, turn your hot water off, and you go all the way down to your fan, you can put your fan on vent, so you can either off or vent, and then you get your fan speed. So whap it all the way up, gets noisy, or we like it around about 6 or 7, because then what happens is all your vents throw out lovely cold air, because they grab the air from outside and then push it around your vents normally, and obviously your vents are lower, so you get a nice breeze of cool fresh air around the van. Little top tip there for people with trimmer systems. So today is Tuesday morning. We are at the beach location we arrived at yesterday. The name will appear on the screen up there now, because it's Pt1.
That's nothing like it.
It's nothing like it. But yeah, it's got a typically Danish name to it. But anyway, I just thought I'd explain about power usage, because a lot of you were asking, John, is 150 watt solar panel going to be enough? So we are now, when do we set off Friday? So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So we're 5 days in. We've been using obviously the inverter for Mandy's coffee, been charging things like GoPros, mobile phones, stuff like that, and laptops a couple of times, because there's a video out obviously that was edited, just like this is going to be edited, filmed and everything actually on the go, and so far not run out of power at all. So I just thought I'd show you. Like I say, it's 10:30 in the morning and we're producing 79 watts, just over 5 amps, thereabouts 5 amps, 13.26 volts. How many coffees have you had?
I've had 3 coffees this morning.
What are you laughing at?
There's a dog on the beach and it's not going back to its owner, and she's just shouting at it, and it's got this big stick, it's a spaniel, and it's just going, hey, look at me, and it's now proudly standing near the waterline where she's kind of getting a bit freaked out.
Yeah.
Sorry, yes, I've had 2 coffees this morning.
So you've had 2 coffees, my laptop's on charge, and all our other little power banks and things like that are all on charge. So we're charging everything during the day when we're driving and when the sun's out, so when we use them at night, obviously we've still got power, and that seems to be working perfectly okay for us. And because someone's mentioned Springer Spaniel, dog, beach, and now missing Cooper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Poor Coopy. Today we are off to the mainland part of Denmark, is all I can describe, because now we're on the small little island where Copenhagen is. So off to the main part of Denmark, and we're off to a little place where it's got some nice little sand sculptures, and oh, Mandy's pointing out the dog. Oh, there's a little doggy again. Oh.
Maybe that's how she gets the dog to come back. She just walks away.
Walks away.
No, leave me, mummy.
Anyway, yeah, so we're off to the other part of Denmark where there's some sand sculptures and a lighthouse to go and look at. So that'll be parkup for tonight. Nice free shower, eh, babe?
Oh, aye. I do me.
On the beach, top of Denmark. You think it's going to be cold?
Yes.
You alright with that?
It's a shower, isn't it? And it's been so hot. So.
It has been warm, so yeah, it'd be nice to have a shower. And
it's nice. I mean, we were going to set one up at the back of the van.
Yeah.
But
that's better.
Yeah.
Because it's free and don't have to mess about with water.
Yep.
Your face is a bit red. That's better?
Definitely.
Good shower then.
Yes.
First outdoor shower?
First very cold outdoor shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right with it though.
Yeah. I feel lovely.
Cool.
Just a refreshing thing I needed.
Yeah.
And now, I need some food.
Food. Anything to take your fancy?
Slag to frikadelle sandwich.
Oh yeah?
Frikadelle's the same as
the German one.
the frikadelle
sausage.
or similar. Yeah.